this video, I'm gonna be ranking every Funny Guys map, as you can see right here. Tilefall, it's an OG, so I'll give it an extra one. It's just luck based, that's why. And I don't know what you call this, but it's just F tier. And then Jungle Roll, I actually would have to put in S tier. I do not know if you can zoom out. Released all from when the Barbie collapse happened. And so this is A tier, no doubt. Spin Go Round, B tier. Icy Heights, it's OG, but it's just, I would say B tier. And then Hot Wheels Hustle, luck base for your car. Paint Splash, S tier. Just kidding, A tier. Then Humble Stumble, and Lava Rush, and Camel Climbs, C tier. This has to be A tier, D tier. Lost Temple, gotta be S tier. A tier. You already knew that I was going to put this in D tier, and then Blockbuster. Block Dash is S tier. Okay. Boom. Anyway, this has to go all the way here because it's the most speedy one. Where did you expect me to put that? Then Stumble Cove. Gotta be there. Space Drop. Is this a dungeon? Okay, this one is C tier. And most elimination maps are built different. But Laser Tracer, F tier. I always lose rank because of this map. F tier. This one's just built different. Yeah. I don't know if this is Block Dash because they're both legit the same. They're both S tier. Yeah, Sharknado always goes to time this. I just do not like the collection maps. This collection map is this. No. But these old and okay, right here and right here. S tier, these maps. And A tier, these maps. B tier, these maps. C tier, D tier, F tier are pretty mid maps. Well, that's the end of the video.